Konnichiwa everybody and welcome to the Japanese class. Are you all ready to learn more Japanese? Well, in our previous classes we have been doing a lot of verbs. We have done number of new particles and today also we will do the same. We will learn more new verbs, some new expressions and also we will do some new particles today related to time and other things as well, some new kanjis as well. So, are you all ready for the class? Now, today just before starting we will try to revise what we did last time, and last time if you remember we did doko meaning where, location basically. So, well, just look at the pictures and tell the answer where a certain thing or where a certain person is. Well, over here in this case it is a ball. We are talking about a ball. Where is the ball? Boru wa doko desu ka? So, you have two people standing over here together close by and the ball is a little further away from them. So, well, what are you going to say? Let me see. Well, ball wa asoko desu. Now, the second picture, you have these two people here. One person is pointing at the ball, but both of them are far away from the ball once again. So, well, what is it going to be? Ball wa doko desu ka? Ball wa asoko desu. So, please try to fill in the space yourself. Now, the third picture is, okay, this time we have two people over here. Gentleman A is close to the ball and this gentleman B is far away from the ball as we did last time. Well, he is pointing at the ball and what is he saying? What is he asking? Ball wa doko desu ka? He is asking ball wa doko desu ka? So, this gentleman over here, as he is far away from the ball, he could say ball wa, yes, ball wa soko desu. This gentleman could also say ball wa koko desu, ball wa koko desu. Now, we have another picture for you. In this picture again, these two are close by and the ball is again far away. So, what are you going to say? Well, this is just revision, so quickly do it. You know exactly what to say. Asoko desu. And now, what do we have? We have this gentleman and a lady here and the gentleman is pointing at the kaban, which is a bag over here. They are both far away from the kaban. So, what does he ask? Kaban wa, what does she ask? Kaban wa doko desu ka? And he says, kaban wa, yes, that is right, kaban wa asoko desu. So, I hope by now you have all understood what asoko, koko, soko and doko mean and how it is to be used. Now, today we are going to learn something new, lot of new particles, a couple of new particles, lot of new vocabulary, lot of verbs. So, we begin with of course, time, because time is very, very important. So, I get up at 6 o'clock every day. How will you say that in Japanese? So, we will come to that. Now, please listen to this radio conversation and see how much you can actually understand from the conversation and then whatever is not understood, we will do right away in class. 学校は何時からですか?
7時からです。
何時に起きますか?
毎日6時に起きます。
学校は何時に終わりますか?
午後3時半です。
じゃあ何時に昼ご飯を食べますか?
11時です。
Now, the conversation is between Arun-san and Mira-san, two people, a very casual conversation. Gakko wa nanji kara desu ka? Gakko, you all know, Gakko is a school. Wa, of course, because we are talking about Gakko. Nan, you know, means what. Ji is for time, kara is from, des and ka makes it an interrogative. So, Gakko wa nanji kara desu ka? 7時からです from 7 o'clock. 何時に起きますか? 何時に に is for time. 何時に起きますか? 起きます is to get up. 何時に起きますか? 毎日 every day 6時に起きます。I get up every day at 6 o'clock. 学校は何時に終わりますか? What time does your 学校 get over? 午後3時半です。3:30 in the afternoon. じゃあ well, then in that case, when your 学校 gets over at 3 o'clock, 3:30, well, in that case, 何時に昼ご飯を食べますか? What time do you have your lunch? 食べます is to eat. 11時です。11 o'clock. So, this is a simple conversation. Now, you can see that there are two new particles for you, ni and o, and a simple word expression ja. Ja is to be used when something is already being said and then well, then in that case, that is what ja means. Now, I will do the two particles with you. This is of course in the script. I would like to tell you something. Over here you can see all of it is written in katakana, because these are foreign words and these are names, foreign names, not Japanese names, and thus they will all be written in katakana. And then also there is something very interesting over here, which generally does not happen in a Japanese script. This has been done basically for you to understand it better, make it easy for you. In Japanese, when you write, then there are no spaces, as you can see over here. In Japanese, these spaces are not there and wa would come over here. I will write it down for you and tell you just now. It makes it a little complicated for us to understand, as we are used to English or Hindi in India, where space is provided or is given between words. So, for you to understand better, space has been given, otherwise it is not written like this in Japanese. Well, meanings in English for you. Now, we will do particle ni. Particle ni. You will notice that we did time. Ima 1時です。Simple for time. 今1時半です。Now, you want to perform a certain activity. You want to do something at a certain time. 私は8時に起きます。or 私は6時に食べます。So, what am I doing? I am actually performing an activity at a certain time. 私は6時に. So, after a certain time, after a specified time, at a specified time, I perform an activity. I perform an activity. So, after a specified time, ni is going to come. This particle ni is going to be used after time. And please remember that it will not be roku ni ji. It is roku ji ni. This is important. So, time will be followed by particle ni, especially when an activity is being done at a certain time. As you can see, it is written over here, when a verb denotes action or movement at a particular time, then the time is marked with particle ni. Ni actually means in, at and on. As in the example, watashi wa 6 ji ni okimasu. I get up at 6 o'clock. This time expression ashita you have done in your previous lesson, or kino, ashita, kino, kyo, asatte, ototoi, all these expressions you have done, these words you know. So, ashita Delhi e ikimasu. A also you have done in your last lesson. So, ashita Delhi e ikimasu. Tomorrow I go to Delhi. I will go to Delhi tomorrow. So, this is for ni, particle ni. Now, you can practice particle ni. Look at these clocks, you have time over here. You can ask your partner, what do you do at a certain time? For example, it is 1 o'clock, it is 7 over here, 2:30 over here, 3 o'clock, 4, 7, 8:30, 11:30, 6 o'clock. So, what do you do at this point? Well, let us see what your friend does every day. Mainichi nanji ni okimasu ka? Okimasu is to get up. Mainichi nanji ni ikimasu ka? 7 ji ni ikimasu. Nanji ni kaerimasu ka? 2 ji han ni kaerimasu. Nanji ni tabemasu ka? 3 ji ni tabemasu. Once again you have ikimasu over here. Nanji ni ikimasu ka? 4 ji ni ikimasu. Nanji ni benkyou shimasu ka? 7 ji ni benkyou shimasu. Once again tabemasu over here. Then we have nanji ni nemasu ka, which is to sleep. 11 ji han ni nemasu. So, these are some verbs for you. Watashi wa 6 ji ni, as I told you earlier, after time particle ni okimasu. You can change this also over here. Tanaka-san, tomodachi, otou-san, imoto wa, again time, you can change the time over here. 8 ji, 10 ji, 5 ji, 7 ji, and then again you can also change the verb over here. You can put any verb you want. Tabemasu, ikimasu, nomimasu, or any other verb that we have done. For example, you could say watashi wa 6 ji ni okimasu. Watashi wa 6 ji ni ikimasu. Tanaka-san wa 5 ji ni tabemasu. Imoto wa 8 ji ni ikimasu. So, you can make a lot of small sentences with this and practice time. You can practice the vocabulary that you have done, and also you can practice the new verbs that we are going to do and some that we have already done. Now, in this only you can also practice something else. For example, there is mainichi given over here, word that you have already done, mainichi, mainichi. Ashita you have done, asatte. So, you can also say Watashi wa mainichi 6 ji ni okimasu. Every day I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. You can also add gogo or gozen before time. Watashi wa mainichi gozen 6 ji ni okimasu. So, you can also make dialogue like this, sentences like this and have a small simple dialogue. There is another one, ashita. Tanaka-san wa ashita gozen 8 ji ni ikimasu. So, tomorrow Tanaka-san will go at 8 o'clock. So, a certain activity is being performed at a certain time. You can add go-go, you can add these time expressions, the words that you have done and practice with your partner. Well, now some words over here for you. So, you can practice with the words. For example, mainichi we did just now. There is gakko. Gakko means school. So, well, watashi wa mainichi gakko e ikimasu. Watashi wa mainichi 7 ji ni gakko e ikimasu. A particle you have done which shows direction. So, well, the second one is uchi. Watashi wa mainichi 2 ji han ni uchi e kaerimasu. Particle A will always come before verbs like ikimasu, motion verbs basically, kaerimasu, and any other verb, any other motion verb that we will do later. For the time being, please remember ikimasu and kaerimasu are two verbs which are going to take particle A. A and not E as is written in Roman, it is A. Then we have hiru gohan. Hiru gohan is lunch. Watashi wa mainichi 3 ji ni hiru gohan o tabemasu. I eat gohan every day at 3 o'clock. Watashi wa mainichi 4 ji ni juku e ikimasu. I go for my special class at 4 o'clock. Then you have watashi wa mainichi benkyou shimasu. Watashi wa mainichi 7 ji ni benkyou shimasu. Watashi wa mainichi 8 ji han ni ban gohan o tabemasu. So, at 8:30 every day I have my dinner. Then we have watashi wa mainichi 11 ji han ni nemasu. So, every day I sleep at 11:30. Now, I hope after doing this exercise, you will be very comfortable with particle ni, with these verbs that we have done, how to make sentences with these verbs, how to use particle ni and how to use particle a. We will also do particle o very, very soon. Now, there is another one, look at the picture and practice verbs with time. This is again practice for you, basically for you to get used to the verbs, get used to these new sounds, new vocabulary and how to use time and verbs together. So, we have this, you see someone sleeping over here, it is night time, you can get from here, well, what is it then? Watashi wa 10 ji ni nemasu. You see some people walking. Minasan 7 ji ni sanpo shimasu, which is to take a walk. Well, you see this gentleman returning. So, what is it? We will call him Tanaka-san. Tanaka-san wa 6 ji ni uchi e kaerimasu. And then we have Tanaka-san again over here, who is on the phone talking to someone. So, we have Tanaka-san wa 11時に電話をします. So, this way you can practice your verbs and your time. Now, there is particle O. This is a new particle. So far, we have done particle wa, which is the subject particle or the topic particle, particle ni, which tells about time, particle wa, particle ni, particle ka, which is a question particle, particle mo, which means also, then particle ne, which is used for confirmation. So, well, we will do a new particle now, particle O. Now, these particles are actually used to join words, to connect words with one another to make proper sentences. So, well, over here, watashi wa mainichi ringo o tabe masu. Watashi wa mainichi, every day. Watashi is I, watashi wa mainichi, ringo is apple, o tabe masu. Now, this is a noun, this is a verb. We already know that the subject comes in the beginning of a sentence every time. Whenever you are talking about something, the topic or subject of conversation is always right here in the beginning, then the verb is in the end in Japanese. Well, then what happens about the object? Well, the object will always come in the middle then. So, over here you can see action word directly related with the noun. So, Japanese is a subject, object, verb construction basically, with the subject coming here, the object coming in between and the verb coming in the end. Now, this verb is directly related with the noun or the object over here. What do I do every day? I eat an apple. I hope it is clear. Particle O. Now, over here what you can do is, you can again replace watashi over here with noun 1, which could be anybody, otou-san, sensei, tomodachi. This noun 2 over here could be anything again, it could be orange, 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 ringo, o tabemasu, juice, nomimasu. Nomimasu means to drink. So, watashi wa mainichi orange o tabemasu, orange o tabemasu. Otou-san wa mainichi juice o nomimasu. Sensei wa mainichi ringo o tabemasu. So, you can use this construction with particle O simple, basically showing relationship between the verb. So, I hope this much is clear. We will practice it right now. Particle O indicates that the word preceding O is the direct object of the verb following it. So, you can very clearly read, when the verb shimasu, to do, is used, then shimasu means that the action denoted by the noun is being performed. For example, ringo o tabemasu. So, what is the action? You are eating. I eat an apple. Juice o nomimasu. I drink juice. Shigoto o shimasu. What am I doing? I am working. I am working. So, you can see the direct relationship with the verb. Now, this is practice for you. You can replace the noun ringo with words given below. Sakana is fish, mikan is orange, yasai is vegetable, kudamono is fruit, niku is meat, and ice cream is ice cream. you can easily make out because it is in katakana. So, well, it is an English word, ice cream. Well, this is some practice for you here. Just replace this word ringo with any of these and you eat that. Practice it with your friend. The question would be, Anata wa nani o tabemasu ka? Nani o tabemasu ka? So far, you have only done nan, which means what? If you remember, you have not done nani so far. Nani is here meaning exactly the same. Nan and nani are exactly similar, there is no difference. The only place where they differ is nan generally is used with numbers and nani is used in other places most of the time. Meaning is exactly the same, means what. So, anata wa nani o tabemasu ka? Watashi wa ringo o tabemasu. Watashi wa ringo o tabemasu. So, you could practice like this. Put any noun over here in place of ringo and practice with your partner and use the vocabulary that we have learned. You can also remember the sentence construction, sentence pattern. Practice by replacing the noun and the verb and make sentences with the help of words given below. Well, this is another practice for you which you can do. We have watashi wa mainichi ringo o tabemasu, exactly what we did in our previous exercise. Well, you can also use the negative which is masen. As you can see, watashi wa ringo o tabemasu. Tabemasu is I, tabemasu is eat, I eat an apple. Now, the negative for tabemasu is tabe and ma-sen. Tabe mas and tabe masen. Tabemasu is positive, tabemasu is masen is negative. Masen means, tabemasen means I do not eat an apple. There is this group of words over here and there is this group of verbs over here for you. You can use either in mas form or in masen form. Instead of mas over here, you can put masen and that will become negative. So, there are n number of sentences you can make with these two sets. Watashi wa mainichi sakana o tabemasu. Tanaka-san wa mainichi sakana o tabemasen. Imoto wa mainichi sanpo o shimasu. Imoto wa mainichi sanpo o shimasen. Tanaka-san wa mainichi yakyū, which is baseball, o shimasu. Tanaka-san wa mainichi yakyū o shimasen. So, whichever you want to use, mas or masen, you can use that. It is called the mas form because it has mas in positive and masen in negative, and later on also you will see in the past and the past negative also it has mas form somewhere, thus it is called mas form. So, you can practice this at home with your partner and feel comfortable with mas and masen and particle o. Now, look at the picture and please tell what are they doing. Tanaka-san, we will have Tanaka-san as our friend from now onwards in class all the time, and we will refer to people as Tanaka-san anywhere in the picture. So, what is Tanaka-san doing? Tanaka-san wa nani o shimasu ka? Tanaka-san wa hatarakimasu is he is working. Tanaka-san wa kaerimasu. 二人何をしますか？学生は勉強します。to study. 田中さんは何をしますか？田中さんは本を読みます。So this is how you can practice particle O. You can practice all your verbs. You can make sentences with different combinations, which will help you in conversation later. Well, now there is a small a radio conversation. Please listen to that and see how much you understand. I will tell you and read out to you once again, but before that please listen to this. 明日から出張ですか？
はい、そうです。
どこへ行きますか？
ムンバイへ行きます。
いつ戻りますか？
来月の6日です。
ああ、私は6日に国へ帰ります。そして5月の2日に戻ります。
ああ、そう。
Well, now again the kaiwa is between two people, Amit and Rao. 明日から出張ですね。はい、そうです。どこへ行きますか？ムンバイへ行きます。いつ戻りますか？来月の6日です。ああ、私は6日に国へ帰ります。そして5月の2日に戻ります。ああ、そう。Well, this is a simple conversation, a small dialogue. Ashita you already know. The new word is shucho. Shucho is a business trip. When you go on tour from office, it is called shucho. So, ashita kara shucho desu ka? From tomorrow you are going for your tour. Hai, so desu. Doko e ikimasu ka? Mumbai e ikimasu. Itsu modorimasu ka? Itsu means when. Itsu modorimasu ka? When are you going to return? Raigetsu no 6日です。Raigetsu is next month. No 6日 is the 6th of next month. This. It is the 6th of next month. ああ、私は6日に国へ帰ります。So again you will see with date. Particle ni is used over here. Earlier we have done particle ni with time. Now, this time over here in this conversation you will see that particle ni is also used with date. Ah, watashi wa 6日に国へ帰ります。On 6th I will return to my country. そして、now そして is a new word which is a conjunction, and unlike English where conjunctions join sentences, in Japanese conjunctions start a sentence. Over here you will see the sentence ends over here after kairimasu, and then soshite, which means and, starts over here. Soshite and 5月の2日に戻ります。5月 is 5th month, that is May. No 2日 is the second of May に戻ります。I will return. 2日 again is date, 2日に. So, on the date. Ah, so, I see. That is a simple expression. Oh, I have understood. So, this is a simple conversation with this new particle soshite, which means and always begins a sentence. Now, as we always do, we will do kanji, which are pictograms and ideograms, and we have been doing a lot of kanji characters in our previous lessons. Kanjis, as you know, can be divided into different groups. How would you look up a kanji in a kanji dictionary? How would you do that? Well, for that, kanjis are divided into different sections. As you can see, it is divided into radicals, it is divided into groups by stroke order. And it is also divided into groups with the help of the readings. Well, we will not go too much into detail of what exactly each one is and how it is done, but well, there are about 214 radicals, and these radicals are very interesting because the basic meaning of the kanji character comes from these radicals. Now, these radicals in a character can be anywhere. It could be on the left side, it could be on the right side, it could be on top over here in a kanji character, it could cover the kanji character completely, it could also be on the left side like this, it could also be on the top like this. So, it can be anywhere, as you can see, it can be all over the place. The radical could be placed anywhere in a complicated kanji character. Now, some simple kanjis that you have already done in class are actually radicals. For example, this character which is hito, which means a man, is itself a radical. This character which means sun or can also mean light or brightness or day is also a radical. So, lot of characters, lot of kanji characters which will have the meaning of light, bright, day or sun associated with that will be in this group, in this radical. We will have this radical definitely as a character. For example, you have done this character of yobi, yo, which means day, as in days of the week, like this. This is what we did earlier, isn't it, in our previous class. So, now this is one single character. This means yo, means day. So, the sun flies on the wings of a bird, on the wings of a fat bird from one place to another. Now, how do you depict that? So, thus you have this character over here as sun. This kanji goes under this radical. That is how radicals are divided. There are 214 radicals, and all the kanji characters, about 1900 kanji characters, are divided into these radical groups. Now, then also you have with stroke order, a complicated kanji like this has about how many strokes? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17, 18. So, in all it has 18 lines. So, stroke order, it is divided with the help of stroke order, because there are single stroke kanjis also, there are 2 stroke kanjis also, there are 3 stroke kanjis also. So, all this goes up till 23. So, you have complicated characters of 23 strokes. Then also kanjis are divided with the help of readings. For example, each kanji has a number of readings. A number of readings are given to each kanji. We have already done quite a few of them. So, they can also be divided with those readings. A certain reading could be, a certain set of kanjis with a similar reading could be in one group, and a certain set of kanji characters, certain set of kanji readings could be in another group. As we go ahead, you will realize what it is. So, for the time being, I think this much is enough. We will not go into too much detail, and we will try to do the kanjis that we have to do. So, well, the kanjis that we are going to do are gogo, gogo, a 4 stroke character, go, go. and you can see over here go, it means noon, noon. Again I will make it for you once again over here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then we have go again. So, well, now you can see ichi, ni, san, yon, go, roku, nana, hachi and kyu. So, you will see, as I told you earlier, every time the kanji character will end over here on the right lower corner of the square. Now, this character over here go means ato or later, later on, go. You did go and gozen, so you have go and go as go, afternoon. So, well, this character is of 9 strokes. Also you have one more character 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and I will have to do it once again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. It is a 9 stroke character 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 like this, means before, earlier, means my, or another reading is zen, as you can see. So, it is go zen. Go zen means AM or morning, and it is also a 9 stroke character. Now, there are some words with these kanji characters for vocabulary. You have done these words earlier, all you need to do now is to know the kanji character. Mainichi, every day. Asa, morning. Kyo, today. And if you remember, we have done this character ima as well earlier. This is also ima. Kyo, kyo is ima nichi, which is day, today. Then we have kino, kino, that is yesterday. So, these are some of the new characters. You can learn these, do these and remember them. At least if you look at them regularly, you will be able to recognize them when you see them somewhere, written somewhere. Now, some words with kanji characters. Gozenchu, gozenchu means, gozen means morning and chu means all through, all morning. Izen, izen means before or earlier. Ego means since then. Hitomai means in public, in front of people. Mai means front of, ahead. So, front of, in front of people. Nininmai means for 2 people. Gogo, as you already know, you did with time, is PM. Gozen is AM, as you have done with time earlier. Now, another reading for zen is mai, and the kanji is here, which I had made for you on the board, which means ahead, and over here ushiro, and over here it is gogo. So, this character has 2 readings, go and ushiro. If you look at the kanji slide, you will see that 2 readings are written over there. Then a name for you, simple name we did earlier in one of our lessons, lot of names. Well, you can write these names now in kanji, you can understand them how it is written, Mae Kawa. Okay, so now we have some new words for you, some vocabulary for reference. Well, you could repeat after me: sengetsu, kongetsu, and the meanings of course are given over here. Raigetsu, saraigetsu, sakana, fuku, gohan, shousetsu, yakyu, and some verbs as well: shimasu, nomimasu, kaimasu. Please repeat after me: tsukurimasu, okimasu, modorimasu, tabemasu, yomimasu, mimasu, nemasu, sanpo shimasu. Well, now it is for you to do all the assignments. It is your work. Now, that begins. There is this assignment where you have to write the kanji characters for all the underlined words. All the characters are given in your previous lessons. Match the following kanji characters with words in Roman in column B. Practice all that we have done. Do the vocabulary, do the verbs, do time, and practice particle ni, particle o, and then we will meet next time again. So, minasan, mata ashita aimashou. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you.